Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the Eureka powerful bagless upright carpet and floor Airspeed ultra lightweight vacuum cleaner. If you're tired of lugging around a heavy vacuum cleaner, this one is for you. With its quick release handle, you can effortlessly clean above floor surfaces with the crevice tooler dusting brush. This vacuum is perfect for both hard floors and carpets, with powerful all-floor suction that extracts dirt and hair with ease. The 10.5 wide cleaning path gets the job done quickly, and at only 7.7 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to store in any space in your home. One of the best features of this vacuum is the washable filter, which means no maintenance costs. It also comes with a crevice tool and dusting brush that snaps on and are within reach at any time during cleaning. With a motor wattage of 720 W, this vacuum is both powerful and efficient. So if you're in the market for a new vacuum cleaner, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Eureka powerful bagless upright carpet and floor Airspeed ultra lightweight vacuum cleaner. Don't miss out on this amazing product. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.